Okay, so this week I got a commissioning for a job. I can't quite give you all of the details yet, but there will be a video coming that will describe the whole process of how I got this job, what it entails, and what I will be producing for this commissioning. After doing many tests on the XCarve, I decided that I needed to add a machine to my shop in order to potentially increase my work production and costs. So like I said, I bought something and I'm excited, and I'm also scared to learn something new while I'm still learning about the XCarve. But if I am correct in my testing, then this machine will not only improve the finished product, it will also help me do it faster, more cost effectively, and help me create better quality units for my client. Let's open it up. I purchased an ORTUR Laser Master 2 Pro laser engraver machine. Let's open it up. So excited. Look at it. Oh. This is the ORTUR Laser Master 2 Pro S2LF. Which is a whole mouthful of things to say. This is the long focal length laser cutter. So they have an engraver and they have a cutter. They both kind of do the same thing, except the focal length is a little different. And so I got the LF, the long focal length, so that I can do some very precise cutting. You will see what I am getting into here shortly, but in the meantime, we're going to assemble this puppy. How fitting would it be to assemble it on the XCarve platform? So, let's get to it. People, this is almost giving me nightmares of when we did the XCarve assembly. Oh my goodness, what have I got myself into? Now I gotta say, what's the deal, XCarve? Because this thing seems to be like I could assemble it in less than an hour. Like, the chain wiring is already done. Look at the pre-assembly. Like, I had to build that one. Why couldn't you come pre-assembled? Oh my goodness. The long focal length laser. And then it also comes with the attachments for using compressed air, so that it can clean the laser head out it's cutting. But I don't have a compressor yet, so we're going to assemble it, and it will cut without it, but we're going to give it our best go. Look at it. It's so pretty, and it took me 45 minutes or so, maybe an hour, to assemble this whole thing. The drag chain, way easier on this one than on the XCarve. All the stepper motors and stuff were not too bad. I did have to watch a YouTube tutorial, and so I am very grateful that those exist, and was able to figure out all the things. So we need to fire this thing up and see what it can do. Oh, we got movement. Oh, that was scary, but so cool. Woo! Okay. Okay. Now we gotta do something. Alright, let's try and see if we don't set something on fire. Look at all the position commands it's doing. Dang, this thing is fast. Let's see what we can do. Wow. Okay. Smoky. Well, there you have it. Traditional shark. You can barely feel the etching. But as a first go, not bad. I think there's some promise here. I need to figure out smoke control for the shop. And I got to figure out laser gerbil. But we're on our way. Well, thank you so much, my friends, for joining in. I am super excited about the new opportunity that we have with this machine. And yeah, I mean, about 1 hour for assembly. And then it took 20 minutes to download the software and the drivers and all the firmware. And we got to cutting within 2 hours, which is unbelievable considering like the XCarve took like 40 some hours before we even had the machine assembled. But we're going to give it a go and see how this all thing comes together.